Hey, I'm Antoine Anderson. This is the Ujamaa Network on Black Investments Matter. We're talking about the aftermath of the Binance guilty pleas. A lot of people are questioning whether or not centralized networks are the way to go. In the United States, it's looking like this is going to be the only way to go. As more and more regulation gets hit, either through litigation or by congressional movement, it is time we start exploring the different options out there. Now, we've done a lot on Uphold, but it's time we start talking about the other exchanges. We've done some things on Coinbase, but today it's going to be Kraken. Now, as far as interfaces go, Kraken has a very simplified look to it. It does a lot of things. You can buy, sell, and convert your cryptocurrencies by setting up your account. Now, we're not going to give you a yay or nay on it. We're just going to go through some of the particulars on this particular exchange and offer it up as a alternative to the other exchanges you may already be on. I, for one, just recently set up my Kraken account, not for anything, but just to kind of explore some of the features that it has and show you, the viewer, what it's all about. Let's go ahead and look at some of the other options or offerings that it has. There's still an NFT marketplace now, and aside from what we're doing here, non-fungible tokens kind of lost interest. Well, I've lost interest in it, along with a lot of other people. It's just way too much of a learning curve for the average novice to get into, trying to understand what these tokenized properties or ideas were worth, assigning a value to it, and then setting a price to it. All of these things might be all well and good, but the average user is not going to really grasp it. Not, like I said, I have still not really understood what it was all about. That, along with staking cryptocurrencies versus mining it, as the tug of war raged when that first deal came out with Ethereum going over to 100% staking and thus eliminating 90% of the mining income from cryptocurrency miners. Yeah, I think that enthusiasm kind of waned. But hey, that's another topic for another day. Let's get back to what we're talking about. You've got your simplified view, but Kraken, like others, have now introduced a pro platform. Now, this is more akin to day traders, and you're going to see a full complement of tools, bars, graphs, including candlesticks, that will give you the ability to make spot trades on cryptocurrency. We here at Black Investments Matters really want you to get used to seeing this. You're seeing it on multiple platforms now. There are getting to be more and more trading focused versus just buying and selling cryptocurrencies as a way to transfer funds. Now we're talking about spot derivatives. Those of us who have not spent a whole lot of time in the finance world, trading, buying, selling assets, predicting fluctuations in the network, this is going to be our challenge for 2024. If you're going to try to make money in cryptocurrency, this is where you're going to do it. We can learn together, because a lot of us, quite frankly, we're not going to fully grasp what these changes mean until we get a functional understanding of what these graphs mean. And we're not going to get that in our public school system. You can ask some investors, you can hire someone by contacting a financial professional. But really, I think it's incumbent upon all of us to focus in on growing our knowledge instead of just simply paying someone to do it for us.